G'day, is part of a parcel that I'll be breaking up into small deals. It's lower grade potch and colour. The rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. It varies, it's mostly all seam I think. It varies in quality. There's not a lot of high grade colour in it, but there's pieces like this that are just honey potch, which sometimes has colour, sometimes it doesn't. Then there's other pieces that have got some colour in it, which I'll show you in a minute. We'll go in a bit closer. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. I can't remember if I said it or not, but the rule's in millimetres, and the material's been wetted. The white that you can see there is the reflection of the lights. But as I said, it's basically lower grade potch. There is a bit of colour in it. You might even find a few stones that you can cut into nice stones. The sizes vary from 20-25 mil there down to 5 mil. It's a mixture. We'll just have a look at a few of the pieces. Little pieces like this that make a little doublet. And I said there's some of this potch. That piece has got colour in it. Sometimes when it's thicker, it's quite often made into faceted stone. There's a bit of colour through it, but not every piece has got colour, hence the price is low. There's a few pieces in there like this which are just big pieces of knobby / seam that won't tumble anymore, whether it's got any colour inside. Again, it's a gamble. Done. It is what it is. You'll probably find the smaller pieces, other pieces with a bit more colour, although these are only small. That's where the colour is. I'll try to give a sample across the gambit of size. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Read the description for how much you're getting in a deal. Cheers.